Hello students, my name is Baldeep Kaur. Today I am going to teach you 3rd class G Science. We are going to start second term syllabus and our first chapter is chapter number 10, Sun as a Natural Resource. As you all know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is the brightest object in the sky. So I want to ask one question from you. Are you able to see the sun directly through naked eyes? Of course, no. Why? I am going to tell you that the sunlight is very strong. So it can hurt our eyes. So if we look it directly, so never look straight at the sun. Clear? So now I am going to start a chapter. First of all, I am going to talk about the solar energy. What is solar energy? Which energy we are obtaining from the sun. Clear? So sun is a huge star made up of burning gases. It appears small, but it is a very far from us. So it is much bigger than the earth. Clear? And the sun is the main source of heat for life on the earth, and it controls weathers and the climate. So with the existence of light we can exist on the earth. So now I am going to talk about the plants. Plants also have need to survive, need to prepare their food by the sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow. Without sunlight they cannot make their own food. Clear? There is a one fact about the sun. The sun helps us to see the moon at night. The moon has no light of its own. We see it because of sunlight falling on it. It is only possible with the sunlight. As you all know about the solar panels, in your area there are some people are using for irrigation. They have arranged the solar panels to produce electricity. So I am going to talk about solar energy. Solar energy is the light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using technologies. It is the conservation of energy from sunlight into electricity. There are many uses of this. So first is to dry clothes, to generate electricity with solar cells, as heat for making hot water and cooking. Clear? Now I am going to talk about the non-renewable sources of energy and renewable sources of energy. First is non-renewable sources of energy. Energy obtained from sources that take millions of years to be formed. For example, we are using coal, petroleum, that are also called non-renewable sources of energy. And they are formed from the buried remains of plants and the animals that lived millions of years ago. Next is renewable sources of energy. Sources of energy that are generated from natural resources. Clear? Those sources we are obtaining from the natural resources. Clear? I am going to give example of renewable sources of energy. We are using windmill, hydroelectricity and solar panels. That are the renewable sources of energy. And I am going to talk about the pollution. Non-renewable sources of energy cause air and water pollution, and which is causing global warming. We need to use them judiciously. Clear? But renewable sources don't cause pollution. It causes pollution, but not non-renewable sources cause pollution, but renewable sources of energy cannot produce pollution. Clear? Now I am going to talk about the conservation of energy, how we can conserve the energy, the wise and judicious use of energy. Don't waste energy, and how we can conserve it, there are different ways. We need to be responsible citizens of the earth while conserving energy. Use CFL bulbs or LED bulbs. Open your blinds and curtains on sunny days to let sunshine in while reading. Save hot water by taking short showers. Turn off lights and fans in any room not being used. Put your computer to sleep instead of using a screensaver. Walk short distances instead of using a car or scooter. Go in carpools to a common destination. Make use of public transport networks. Cycle instead of driving. Turn off car's engine if you are waiting on a long and busy traffic light. Clear? We should use non-renewable sources of energy wisely to save it for our future generations and to save our environment from getting polluted. Remember, a polluted environment will also affect us adversely. Now I am going to recall some points from this chapter. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. It gives us heat and light. Plants use solar energy for photosynthesis. All living things depend on plants for food. Solar energy is used to run solar cookers, solar cells, heating, etc. Non-renewable sources of energy are obtained from fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Renewable sources of energy are unlimited in nature and non-polluting. Clear? You have to try this exercise of this chapter. Thanks.